नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुमच्या आग्रहास्तव आज आपण बेसिक फिजिक्सचे इम्पॉर्टंट क्वेश्चन्स बघणार आहोत. यासाठी मी आभार मानते RSCOE पॉलिटेक्निक पुणेचे बच्चे सर यांनी हे क्वेश्चन्स जे आहे इम्पॉर्टंट MCQs ऑफ फिजिक्स आपल्याला प्रोव्हाइड केलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इट इज यूज इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? And the answer is electric kettle. In electric kettle, heating effect of electric current is used. The effective resistance between point A and B is what? And the answer is it is 1.8 ohm. Then third question is at NTP, that means normal temperature pressure. The pressure exerted by the atmosphere at sea level is what? And the answer is 76 cm, that is centimeter of Hg column. At steady state, the amount of heat absorbed by the body is equal to the amount of heat radiated by the body. Then convert 140 Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. It is 60 degrees Celsius. Then next is given below is the graphical representation of what? Image is given and it is the graphical representation of what? It is the graphical representation of Charles' law. At a gas at 200 cubic centimeter heated at constant volume till its pressure triple, find its final pressure. Its final pressure is 879 degree Kelvin. The speed of light in diamond is 1.2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Find the refractive index of diamond if the speed of air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And the answer is it is 2.5. The difference between two specific heat of a gas is 1600 and their ratio is 6:1. Find Cp, that is constant pressure and constant volume. And the answer is 1920 and 320 units respectively, Cp and Cv. Comparison of an unknown quantity with a fixed unit quantity, it is called as what? It is called as measurement. Then next is a systematic error can be eliminated by replacing instrument. You can eliminate the systematic error. The speed of 20 km per hour is equal to 0.55 meter per second. The SI unit of magnetic flux is, it is Weber. A semiconductor, it is formed by which type of bond? It is formed by covalent bond. Now question number 15 is, in N type of semiconductor, dash are the majority carriers and dash are the minority carriers. Electrons are the majority carriers and holes are the minority carriers. In case of forward bias PN junction diode, the current flowing through the diode increases if the applied voltage of the diode increases. According to the energy band theory for a conductor, valence band and conduction band, they are the overlapping. According to energy band theory, the material in which the valence band and conduction band are overlap are called as semiconductor. Then photodiode is an application of which type? That is N type, P type, intrinsic semiconductor or PN junction diode, and answer is photodiode is PN junction diode. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. Then in case of gases, specific heat at constant pressure is always greater than specific heat at constant volume because additional heat is required to increase the volume of gas. Using the method of dimensions, the value of x in the given expression 1 kg per meter cube is equal to 10 raised to x gram per meter cube, and it is 10 raised to 3. X is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 is the answer. Then Question number 23 is, in forward bias PN junction diode, as applied voltage increases, the width of depletion layer is decreases. According to Joule's law, dash energy is converted into dash energy. Electrical energy, it is converted into heat energy according to Joule's law. When a force of 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 16 is act on electron of charge 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19, then electric intensity is, it is 10 raised to 3 Newton per Coulomb. A current of 0.3 ampere flows through a resistance of 50 ohm. The voltage across it is 15 volt. When two resistors are connected in series, their equivalent resistance is 100 ohm, and when connected in parallel to each other, the value is 24 ohm. Therefore, two resistors are 40 and 60. Then question number 28 is, transfer of heat by radiation does not require medium. Convert 0 degree Celsius into Kelvin, it is 273 Kelvin. A gas at 300 K is at pressure 80 centimeter of mercury. Find the final pressure of gas if it is heated to 400 K at constant volume. Final pressure is 106.67 cm of Hg, that is mercury. A gas occupy volume of 20 cc at 27 degrees Celsius. Find the final volume if it is heated to 67 degrees Celsius at constant pressure, and the answer is 22.66 cc, that is cubic centimeter. A certain mass of gas occupies 40 cc at 27 cc. Find its volume at 57 degrees Celsius if pressure is constant, and the answer is 44 cc. A gas at 30 degrees Celsius is heated at constant pressure till its volume is double. Find the final temperature of the gas, and the final temperature of the gas is 606 Kelvin. In question number 34, Joule, it is the unit of what? It is the unit of energy. If the pointer of voltmeter is not prioritized at 0, then error introduced in measurement is called as instrumental error. SI unit of specific resistance is ohm meter. The equation of Ohm's law is V is equal to IR. Electric flux density is equal to D is equal to psi upon A. Then question number 39 is, by adding dash type of impurity, the semiconductor material become N type. It is pentavalent impurities. If you are adding, then the material becomes N type of semiconductor. Ohm's law is valid only when the temperature of conductor remains constant. When glass rod is rubbed with a silk cotton, then according to frictional electricity, electron transfer from glass to silk. Two charges of 10C and 80C are separated by a distance of 100 centimeter in air. The force between them is 7.2 into 10 raised to 12 Newton. The conductivity of a conductor is decreases with increase in temperature. If length and cross-sectional area of conducting wire is double, then its resistance will be unchanged. The electric intensity at 0.50 centimeter from a charge of 3.2 microcoulomb in a medium of dielectric constant 2 is equal to 57.6 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per Coulomb. The standard value of universal gas constant is 8.314 SI unit. Find the angle of incidence if angle of reflection is 30 degree for a glass having refractive index 1.5, and the answer is 48.59. An aluminium rod of 1 meter length has its two ends at 30 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius respectively. Calculate the temperature gradient, and temperature gradient is 10 degree Celsius per meter. Next question is question number 49. An electric fuse is based on heating effect of electric current. This is the principle on which electric fuse is based. The speed of light in water is 2.2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and in glass it is 1.9 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Calculate the refractive index of water with respect to the glass, and the refractive index of water is 0.864. So students, these are the important MCQs of physics. Course code is 22102. Give feedback in comment section so that I will do next video again for you. Thank you.